What's up, guys? Today we are going to a car show in Reno. It's the Hot August Nights grand finale. My dad's gonna be in this car show because he won first place at the Grand Sierra Resort car show. We got Brenda behind the camera today. We got Isaiah coming along too. He's chilling in the back.
What's up?
Hopefully we get to see some sweet cars, and once we get home, maybe we can bust out some wheelies. That is pretty sick. Purple rain.
Kind of scratched right there.
Yeah.
Look, they scratched it.
Yeah, it got a little scratched. That's rough. That kind of sucks. Oh, that's sick. There's my dad's car right there.
Wait, is that this one here?
Yep. There she blows.
Oh, what the? See that car? That car might.
Oh, you can see under the car like that. Look. That's pretty cool. That one's pretty crazy though.
Not that much fun.
These are all the winners, like the top winners. That's why there's not very many. But they're all the best of the best.
It's hilarious.
Yep.
Should we get fries or something?
We can. We can grab some fries. I think my dad's is my favorite car out of all of them.
My favorite car is like...
We're getting some corn dog pupperoos. Never seen these before. They look pretty good though. Yes. Hell yeah. You getting anything? No?
No.
Yeah, right when we were leaving, we were giving Miso a bath, and we were like, okay, he probably needs to poop because he was like kind of trying to get out, and he pooped all over the cage. Like he hasn't pooped in like 6 days, so he just like pooped everywhere. Yeah, everywhere.
You got to taste this.
Is it good?
Yeah, really good.
Bomb lemonade.
Look, his mouth looks like the Nike's logo.
What's it look like?
The Nike's logo. Look at the tiny car.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
We're also going to announce the winner of the 25.
Want a little pepper, mustard, or ketchup? Can I have that? You like try fries?
Yeah.
It tastes really good.
Two of them are going to be the Event Series qualifiers for 2024. So,
That's bomb. If you don't win, who do you think is gonna win?
That little gold one down there. Gold convertible over the end down there.
What did you say it was? Willie's or
Willie's convertible. Really, really clean, nice build.
But the really low one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, slammed to the
We
ground,
saw that, yeah.
orange and white. There's 5 possible awards too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's the Grand Champion, which I'm hoping for. Then there's Most Modified, which I'm hoping for, because there's not a car here that's as modified as much as mine. Then there's Stock, Original Car,
Okay.
which this one right here will probably take. And then there's Tomorrow's Hot Rod, which will be this one, that one. Then probably that one, there'll be 3, first, second, and third.
Okay, the newer muscle cars kind of thing? Okay.
Tomorrow's Future Cars, and then one more category, I can never remember what the hell.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got You in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart, no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in, then break you out. In the end, we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2, we don't need no pause. You with Misty, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power shot.
We're getting hot. We're dying.
Look what I'm in.
It's getting so hot. You surviving?
Yeah.
Barely?
Pretty heatless.
Yeah, I'm barely surviving. Pretty much all the judging's been done now. Looks like we didn't win nothing. Dana won something though, which is pretty badass. It's definitely the next best thing.
Wait, who won? No, I don't know yet.
Yeah, Dana won, we know that. Either first place, second place, or third place. But we don't think my dad won anything.
Can I see the trophy?
Maybe once they give it to him. But everyone's kind of just chilling right now still. Kind of just waiting until they come around to see if they tell my dad if he won anything, and then we're gonna see if Dana got first, second, or third place, and then kind of just head out from there, I guess.
Those except me. Well, judges, I guess. All right, so here's the first of the judged categories. Tomorrow's classics. This is 1980 for our $50 Hot August Nights merchandise voucher. 6-foot sub from Port of Subs. Hot August Nights swag, and our first runner-up is the 2017 Dodge Challenger. Dana Silva. Dana.
So we're just gonna get a
Alright, so far it looks like my dad has not won anything. Dana is walking away with the second place prize. Definitely not too shabby. What do you guys got to say about Dana coming in second and my dad getting nothing?
Good job, Dana. Sorry, Larry.
Yeah.
Maybe next year.
Yeah, kind of bullshit, but whatever.
Yeah, you still won all of Hot August Night, so.
Still cool.
This guy got a better trophy for that, too.
Yeah. Way cooler trophy. They're pretty much giving out the rest of the awards right now. We'll see who got the grand prize.
Tonight's office. There can only be one. There can only be one.
70 Dodge Charger. Come on.
That's right, give it up for them. Give it up for one stock classic winners.
There can only be one winner out of everybody else.
It's gonna be Larry.
He can still possibly win, boys.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Who's going to be? I don't even know. I'm going to walk down here because I don't know. That's it. $5,000. Woo! Big trophy. Man, oh man.
Oh, shit.
How far will my wireless mic go? Where's Greg? Where's Greg? Where's Greg? Where's your car?
We don't care who Greg
Come
is.
on over here and
Just
get
keep
your
going.
trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, the 1956 Chevy Nomad, Greg Bonney is our grand champion. $5,000. Champion Chevrolet sponsoring this award.
Kidding me.
You are the grand champion.
Goddamn Greg.
Gorgeous.
Alright folks, it's out here, show's over. We didn't get shit. Heading out and we will see where this next stop takes us. Might go home, might get some ice cream, we'll see.
video. Tell us what should we do next time. Like and subscribe. Peace.